Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Snapchat history. So if you want to clear or delete all your Snapchat search history, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete your Snapchat search history, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top left, which is the Bitmoji. Once you click on that, locate and click on the settings gear icon. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to privacy control. Under privacy control, locate and click on clear data. Under clear data, locate clear search history and click on that. Once you click on clear search history, you're going to see a part that says clear search history. This will clear your search query history on Snapchat. Then click on clear. And then you say search history cleared, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to delete Snapchat history. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.